Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this dice set, and as you can see here, there's a bunch of them in this here, different colors. They all have their own little bag, so you can also, yeah, keep them separately. I really do like the approach here though, and the colors and the selection, and like these green ones with the gold numbers are like probably one of my favorites. Blue doesn't look bad either, but yeah, there's pretty good dice and really well made. Everything is clean and just really cool look to it. They have like this little shine in there as well, all of them, to give it this extra pop feeling, and really satisfying on that part. Also, what I have to say, I like these, yeah, white ones quite a bit as well, and yeah. Then we also got black ones or grayish, and what else we have? These are the bags, just so you have an idea. They're just like plain black, easy backpacks. But yeah, there's, like I said, a bunch of them, so you can all fit them in there. That's basically what you can expect out of this whole set. So, yeah, check it out yourself, and definitely recommendable. My name is Badger. Until next video, take care you guys, and bye bye.